Welcome back. Previously, we learned economics is all about choices in a world of scarcity. But did you know that economists don't always agree about how these choices work? Today, we'll explore different schools of thought in economics and understand how they view human decisions. First, we have the classical economics. Founded by Adam Smith, classical economists believe markets naturally find balance through supply and demand, with little need for government interference. Next, we have the Keynesian economics. Created by John Maynard Keynes, this school argues government should actively intervene to stabilize the economy, especially during recessions. Third, we have the Schumpeterian economics. Joseph Schumpeter highlighted innovation and entrepreneurship. He introduced creative destruction, new ideas replacing old ones driving progress. Before reaching number 6, which is Marxist economics, we look at ecological economics and behavioral economics. The former shows a perspective that values the environment and biodiversity, emphasizing sustainability and the cost of environmental harm. The latter examines psychological factors behind decisions, pointing out that humans often act irrationally due to the biases and emotions that they have. Number 6 is, as previously stated, the Marxist economics. Karl Marx saw capitalism as creating inequality and class struggle, and he was advocating for economic systems prioritizing equality. Last but definitely not least, Austrian economics, complexity economics, and well-being and caring economics. The first of the three prioritizes individual freedom, entrepreneurship, and market-driven solutions without heavy reliance on mathematical models. The second, complexity economics, uses concepts from biology and physics to understand economies as interconnecting, evolving systems. When looking at well-being and caring economics, this school of thought emphasizes happiness and social relationships, challenging traditional economic assumptions of purely rational, self-interested decisions. Economics often assumes people are rational, that they clearly evaluate costs and benefits. But do people always make rational decisions? Do we always choose what's best for us? Behavioral economics shows that it's not actually always true. If you shop while hungry or very hungry, you will always buy more food that you actually need. Lastly, in order to prepare for the next video, I want to mention that when making choices, we also consider marginal value, which means thinking about the benefit we get from just one more unit of something. For example, one ice cream cone on a hot day feels great, but a second or third might bring less joy or even discomfort. This declining satisfaction is called marginal utility. Who do you think is right? Who do you agree with? Are you always rational? Or are you sometimes irrational? Do you think that we should leave the markets to self-regulate? Do you think the government should get more involved or less involved? Do you agree with capitalism or with redistribution of wealth? Just some food for thought. Today we've explored different economic perspectives and started to understand human choices better. That being said, thank you for joining and see you in the next one.